Let's look at this question. A toy consists of a base which is in the form of a section of a sphere surmounted by a cone. The base of the cone and the plane surface of the spherical section coincide completely. The volume of the conical portion is 255 cubic units and its height is 30 units. If the total height of the toy is 55 units, then the surface area in square units of the sphere from which the base has been extracted is. Okay, first thing you would have to do is try and draw a diagram. Now, because it is a section of a sphere, it could be two diagrams. It could either be this one, not a semicircle, but something like this, and then a cone on top of it, or it could be something like this and a cone on top of it. More than a hemisphere, less than a hemisphere, both these cases are possible. Now we are given the height of the conical structure. Height of the conical structure is 30, which means height of the spherical structure will be 25 because the total height of the toy is 55 units. Now, regardless of which shape you go, again, this will be 25, this will be 30. The volume in both the cases would be 255. So if this is the base radius, if this is the base radius, height we know to be 30, height we know to be 30. Can we get the base radius now because we are told the volume of the cubical portion? So 1 by 3 pi r square into 30 is equal to 2500. This one is cancelled. 10. Sorry, not 2500. 255. So pi and pi will also get cancelled. 10 and 0 will also get cancelled. So r square is equal to 25 or r is equal to 5. Okay, the base radius of the cone and the section of the sphere that is cut off will be 5. Okay. Let us work now. From the entire sphere, some section has been cut off, either on top or on the bottom. I don't know. This portion is 5, and this portion is 25. This is the height of the sphere. Okay. So if this is r, this is r, this would be how much? 5r under root r square minus 5 square. This would be r. So under root r square minus 5 square plus r is equal to 25. Let me get this r to this side. I will get r square minus 5 square is equal to 625 plus r square minus 50r. So this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. 50r would be equal to 50r will be equal to how much? 650, or r would be equal to 30. So this is 30, this is 5, so this will be 12. Now, if the total height of the toy is 55, then the surface area in square units of the sphere from which the base has been extracted. So we know the base radius to be 13. We know the radius of the sphere to be 13 now. So surface area would be 4 pi r square, or 169. 4 into 169 is 676 pi. The answer to this question will be option B.